How to log into Trust Wallet account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Trust Wallet account. Trust Wallet is a mobile cryptocurrency wallet that doesn't require traditional login credentials like a username and password. Instead, it uses a recovery phase, also known as a seed phase, for access. Here's how you can log into your Trust Wallet. First of all, open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. And on the main screen, here you will need to enter your passcode to access your account. After you have entered your passcode, you can easily access your account. But if you had been logged out from your Trust Wallet completely and you want to log back in, you need to have your recovery phase with you. Now to find that recovery phase, you need to tap on the settings icon at the top left corner. And once you reach to this page, here tap on this wallet option at the top and you will reach to a new page. Here tap on these three dots at the right of it and select Manual Backup. Tap on this Backup Now option right next to the Manual option. Once you tap on it, here read all of these phrases and tap on these boxes to confirm that you understood the importance of your secret phase. And tap on this Continue option to confirm. Now the app will generate a 12-word recovery phase. Write it down and keep it in a safe place. This phrase is crucial for accessing your wallet in case you lose your device or need to reinstall the app. You'll not be able to copy or take screenshot on this due to restriction. You'll need to write it down and keep it in a safe place and use it whenever you lose your device or need to reinstall the app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.